Welcome back to my channel, Modestly MASKI. I'm MASKI, and today I will be making my delicious vegan chili. Look at this. Okay, so we have our red beans that have been soaked for 24 hours. They have almost doubled in their size. And we're about to put them in a pressure cooker and let them pressure for about hour and a half to 2 hours. Depends. We'll check it and see if they're soft after about an hour and a half. Okay, so we have our red beans in the pressure cooker, just a drop of oil. We're going to put a pinch of salt in there and put the top on and allow it to cook. So we got the pressure cooker on and we're going to just check this in about an hour and a half. We have some diced up onions and different color peppers. You can use whatever color peppers you want, some garlic. We're heating up our pan, our cast iron skillet right now, so we can saute our peppers and onions. Added a little bit of sunflower seed oil inside of there and letting the skillet get hot. Skillet is hot. We're adding our onions and peppers inside, and we're just going to let those fry a little bit before we add them to our beans. Let's give them a quick stir it around, and let that cook up a little bit. Let it get brown and caramelized. Now we're going to go and check on our beans and spend about an hour and a half. Going to check to see if they're soft. They look soft, but let's test them and see if they're soft enough. But by looks you could tell. All right, you see that? They're definitely soft enough. I definitely recommend buying your beans and soaking them yourself. We're going to check our peppers and onions and give those a quick stir right quick. Looking good, but definitely not ready. Personally, the oil that I put in my beans before they started cooking, and the oil that I have in my peppers and onions will be all the oil that I will be using. This is a big batch that I'm making today. So yeah, it looked like a lot of peppers and onions, but I'm doing a quick and fast something. This right here is the seasons that I'm going to be using. I have some brown sugar, some black peppers, some garlic granules, some cumin, tomato paste, some apple cider vinegar, and some pink Himalayan sea salt. This is the only salt that I personally use, so this is the salt that we're going to be using. Now, I'm making this dish for my children, so you can add whatever you want. This is what I'm using. Checking our onions and peppers again. They're looking good. But we're going to give them a little bit more time to caramelize and brown up. Just giving it a quick stir right now. Okay, so now we're going to just start adding our onions and peppers to our pot. Like I say, there's so many different ways you could do this. I'm just doing a quick and fast one. I know a lot of people, be looking for easy ways to do things and still have it be delicious. So this is one of the ways that I do it. I definitely do it different ways. Sometimes I do my sauce with onions and peppers and garlic and fresh tomatoes and make my sauce with all of my seasonings and everything. And then I add the beans to the sauce. This time I'm just putting it all inside of the pot together and putting my seasonings and everything in there as I go without making the sauce first. I just did not feel like doing it like that this time. So we're adding the tomato paste to the pot at this point. It may look like a lot, but remember this is a big batch of chili that we're making. This is 2.2 pounds. I really think it's a little bit more because I had a few extra beans. And sometimes I just make big pots, and when I freeze a container too for when I don't feel like cooking. We're going to add our cumin at this point. Cumin is extremely important for me. It's a must in chili. You can also use chili powder. Add in our black pepper. We like ours spicy. Everybody in my family, we like spicy food, so that ain't too much. Add in our garlic granules at this point. Fresh garlic also. I added in there. Now we're going to add our sugar. I do not like my chili too sweet, so I don't add too much sugar. It may look like a lot, but everything is sitting on top of each other. Add in our pink Himalayan sea salt, a little bit more. I did add a little bit more salt to it. It was not enough what I put inside. Now we're going to add our apple cider vinegar. Remember, you have that tomato paste, so the sugar, the salt, the vinegar is definitely needed. I know not everybody add that to their chili, but me definitely. Apple cider vinegar, chili. I don't like sweet chili, so I don't add as much sugar, but I definitely put sugar inside of my chili. So you need that, you're looking for that perfect balance between the salt, the vinegar, and the sugar. At this point, we're going to add our spaghetti. I did not show that with the ingredients because it is not a must. It's not something that you have to add. It's just something that we always added growing up in our community, and I don't know why. You can brown you some protein or some kind of meat substitute if you want to add in there. Me and my children just personally do not like it, so we don't. Okay, so we have our chili. It's ready, and both of my boys are standing here. Iman, can I taste? Iman, can I taste? So I said, so let them taste on camera and see if they really like it. Because if they really like it, then it ain't just me saying that it's good. Let's see. First, let me see. Here. I go first.
Let me.
Yeah, first. You want to taste something?
Okay.
Let's see.
It's good?
Where's the bomb?
You have to chew it up. You like it? What it tastes like to you?
Like jelly.
It tastes like chili.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
You like Iman's chili?
Okay.
What? You want some more?
Okay.
Oh, we gotta get our share a spoon. It's hot. It's hot. 1 second, let me get you a spoon. You see, I told you, this chili is good. You should try it out. Okay, now we got a spoon here for Aisha. Here, you try it. Let's see.
I take a big one. Oh my God. Hold on, almost a spoon.
Aisha, you okay?
It's so good. It's so good.
Iman did a good job.
Great.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's
It's so
good.
good.
That tastes
Aisha. Okay, you all. We see that they like it. For everyone who watched to the end, who always supporting me and watching my videos, thank you so much. To those who this may be their first time on my page, welcome. Pray you come back again. And please try this recipe right here. Tell me how you like it. it's like I said, it's so many ways you can make this. You can make your sauce first. You know, add your onions and peppers and tomatoes and the tomato paste with all of your seasonings, the cumin and everything, and make your sauce. And make your sauce, and then add your red beans. I soak my red beans for 24 hours, and then I pressure them for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, depending. They get nice and creamy, and I mean, just give it that look of chili. You don't have to add the spaghetti. I don't know why. It's just something that, you know, growing up, we always did. You know, we ate chili most of the time with homemade crackers or cornbread. You can check out my video for the hot water cornbread. These two boys, you can check out my video for my hot water cornbread. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe and hit that bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, peace and blessings to everyone. Shalom. How do y'all say shalom?